Now guys, today I'm going to show you how to create and customize your Zoom whiteboard. So first log into your Zoom account with your active Gmail account, and the left side bar you will locate the whiteboard section. Click on it, you'll be directed to the whiteboard, the edit page in Zoom. And here you have the ability to create a new whiteboard. Just click on the blue button, new whiteboard. We can start from scratch or use a template, but here you can just create from scratch. This is the sticky note, and here's your whiteboard in Zoom. Add your details and all your notes here in one place. You can also just choose a template. Let's get back here and choose, for example, templates. You find very useful templates in the whiteboard section. So this is pretty much it, guys. After that, you can share your whiteboard with your teammates here on clicking the share button. Here it is, to share your whiteboard. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.